Poland, January 3, 2025.
Zobaczcie, co się dzieje tutaj.
The beginning of the year also turned out to be the beginning of the winter. The predicted snowfall has arrived and many places in Poland have become white. The web is full of recordings presenting frosty landscapes. IMGW also announced a winter start to the long weekend.
Teraz nagram tak bez dźwięku.
Throughout the country, there is a possibility of light snowfall, and in the west and north, also temporary rain and sleet. Honored weather forecaster Pavel Albertasiak predicted in the morning. His word quickly became reality and winter actually attacked.
A niedawno było tak ładnie, a teraz śnieżyca niesamowita, nic nie widać.
In many provinces throughout Poland, it suddenly became white, also due to the strong wind accompanying the precipitation. A zone of intense snowfall is moving through Poland. Accompanied by strong wind and storms, the Storm Observes Network reported on its social media profile, publishing a recording from Lupawa in the Pomeranian Voivodeship. The snowy landscape could be admired today primarily in Pomerania. Reports from areas of Władysławowo and Kędzierzyn appeared on social media. As the Stormwatch network reports, heavy snowfall is still occurring in Pomerania. In some places, there are traffic difficulties. Internet users did not hide their satisfaction with the first heavy snowfalls. Residents of the Lublin, Lutsk, and Mazovian provinces also shared their recordings on social media. Local driving conditions are deteriorating during snowfalls are occurring. IMGW warns of the heavy snowfalls in Pomerania and Western Pomerania from 11 p.m. on Friday to 7 a.m. the following day. Snowfalls are forecast to cause an increase in snow cover of 10 centimeters. Strong winds may locally cause snowstorm. We read in the message posted on the X website.
Warunki fatalne. Prędkość 40 na godzinę.
Experts from the Institute of Meteorology and Water Management also predict a winter start to the long weekend. In many places in Poland, further snowfalls are expected on Saturday and Sunday.
Bo mam jedną taką kurtkę, co na takie się nadaje.